Alright, so in this video, we're going to be talking about trend lines. Now, trend lines are key to deciding the overall trend of a market. So, to see whether it's going overall, if it's moving upwards or if it's moving downwards. Now, trend lines are a type of drawing. So, on your drawing tools, this is where you'll find trend lines. And it suggests exactly so. If the market's going up, it suggests when it's gonna when it starts to come down slightly, when it's going to continue the trend and go back up. This is done by connecting the higher lows in an uptrend or connecting lower lows in a downtrend. Now I'm going to go through a quick example of this. Okay, so here I've drawn out, just using some standard arrows, just a random market movement. So for example, this one is XAU USD, which is gold, but it's not actually happening. I've just drawn it so I can show you guys this example. So here we can see it's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down. So the overall direction of the market is upwards, as we can see that. So in an upwards trend, we use the trend line to connect the higher lows. So these are the lows, this point. I'll get some squares on this. So there's that. This is another lower low. No, sorry, a higher low. And then the final one is just here. So in a trend line, which is going up, you're going to be looking to connect the higher lows, as these are the low points, but they get in higher look. So this low is at 1753 roughly, this low is at 1875 roughly, and this low is at 2025 roughly. So they're the lower lows. And what you do with a trend line is, all you're going to need to do is get out your drawing tool of a trend line, and you're going to start at this lower low, and you're just going to connect the lower lows. So as you can see, this does actually happen quite a lot in the market. You'll see it'll go up, it'll hit a higher low, sorry. It'll go back up and then re-hit the trend line, so the trend line is sort of suggesting where the next lower high will be. And as you can see, in an upwards trend after a higher low, the market just reverses and continues in the same direction. So what that's telling me is, at this level here, when the market comes down to hit this, what's it done every other time? It's gone down, gone up, hit it, gone up, hit it. So the only place we can see this going again is upwards. So that would be an area right here to possibly go with a buy trade for it to carry on going up and make a new higher high. These here are the higher highs, the top bits, because see, that's a high, and then that's a higher high, and then that's even higher high. So I just hope you're sort of getting the idea of it, guys. They are very useful. They do come up a lot. I just shown you on this instead of the charts because it's a lot easier to understand if I'm here drawing it very simple for you guys. Obviously, with more practice, you'll start picking them up in actual markets more often, but this is just to show you sort of what they are, a quick example. Now I'm going to go to a downtrend example, just to reinforce the knowledge. Okay, so now I've drawn out what is a downtrend. As you can see, the market's going downwards, so the trend is downwards. Like, it's simple as that. So in a downtrend, to find the key selling points, what you're going to do is you're just going to connect the lower highs. So there's the high, there's a lower high, there's a lower high, and there's a lower high. So I'll start by getting my trend line, and I'm just going to put it, connecting. It's literally a case of connecting the dots. So here it's gone down, it's gone back up, made a lower high, hit it, gone back down, made a lower low, gone back up, made a lower high, gone back down, gone back up, and now it's hit this line again. So as from the example before, all it is it's just, okay, it's hit that again. Now that's a idea for me that it's going to continue on the trend from that point and go down and reach a new lower low. that's all there is to a trend line really. There's going to be some more detailed videos about how to properly use it in your trading in the best way in the coming videos. But this was just a quick example to sort of show you what they are and how they're used in trading. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, great. That's it.